Chemistry 100, the group project for Group G, testing the viscosity of sauce, created by Patricia Bowe, Desney Pinder, and Javon Cumberbatch. Introduction. Thickeners are generally used in soups and stews to thicken them without changing the taste of the food overmuch or at all. The type of thickener is often specified, and the amount, because different types and amounts produce different viscosities or thicknesses. This project investigates the relationship between the amount and type of thickeners in various sauces and their thickness/viscosity. We will test this relationship with the cup test. A hole is put in the middle of a styrofoam cup and the sauce is poured in with varying amounts of thickener, and how fast or slowly it drains through is a measure of its viscosity. Materials needed for experiment: thickener, we chose xanthan gum, a scale, a whisk, a bowl, measuring spoons, measuring cups, styrofoam cups, pencil, camera, grate, metal or plastic, stopwatch, and sauce. We chose soy sauce. Our research question: measuring the viscosity of a sauce using modernist thickener. Our hypothesis: the amount of modernist thickener in the solution will increase the viscosity of the sauce. To test our hypothesis, we filled 7 plastic cups with 1 cup of soy sauce each. We added increasing amounts of xanthan gum to each one, save for the control. We used the control for comparison. We poured the soy sauce through the styrofoam cup. We put a hole in the bottom with the pencil and recorded how quickly or slowly the different solutions drained through. Control: contains no xanthan gum. Passed through styrofoam cup quickly. Took 20 seconds. Cup 1. Soy sauce was heated. Contains 1/16 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Passed through a little slower. Took 23 seconds. Cup 2. Soy sauce was heated. Contains 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Passed through slower than cup 1. Took 27 seconds. Cup 3. Contains 1/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Took 32 seconds to pass through.
And I'll be putting 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum into this heated cup of soy sauce. Now I'm going to mix it. Now that the xanthan gum and soy sauce is mixed, I will pour it into here and time how long it takes to fill the plastic cup. And it's done.
Cup 4. Contains 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Took 37 seconds to pass through.
Xanthan gum into this cup of soy sauce. The same thing will be done for cup 4. After the mixture of 1/2 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum into the soy sauce, I will now pour it in here to see how long it takes to fill the cup. I'm starting now. and it's done.
Cup 5 contains 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Took 32 seconds to pass through. Cup 6 contains 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. Took 34 seconds to pass through. Discussion of results. The data and graph above confirm our hypothesis. The more thickener, xanthan gum, added to the sauce, soy sauce, the thicker it will become. The increase of the thickness was steady between each sample except for the last two. This is only with the addition of heat, because the thickener didn't mix well with the solution without being heated first. Some samples had to be redone as the xanthan gum didn't mix well in the solution, clumping up. This accounts for the drop in drain time with the final two samples. The amount of sauce played a role in how thick it became too, as earlier iterations of this experiment with less sauce but more xanthan gum per cup produced a thicker sauce. The ratio of sauce to thickener is a major player in the results. Acknowledgements. Thanks to our family and jobs that allowed us to buy the many bottles of soy sauce needed for the experiment and gas. Thanks to my group members for the time and energy they put into this project. We figured it out in the end. Special thanks to my sister for having the xanthan gum and grapes already and allowing me to use them. You're a legend.